Education in Ceredigion is changing. If you are a young person under 25 with additional learning needs, there are going to be changes in the way that you are supported at school or college. These changes have come as a result of the Additional Learning Needs and Education Tribunal Wales Act. Whether you need some support or you have more complex needs, changes from the Act will give you every opportunity to reach your full potential. The Act aims to identify those needs as early as possible so your school, college or education setting can put the right support in place to help you. You and your parents or carers will be given the opportunity to make decisions and have your say on how your learning can be best supported. The Act also means that schools and colleges will become more inclusive, making reasonable adjustments to help you fully participate in school life, learn well and achieve your goals whatever your circumstances. If you have a disability or a learning difficulty which requires additional learning provision, you will be identified as having additional learning needs under the Welsh Government definition. This means you will be supported by an Individual Development Plan, or IDP, which sets out in detail the support you need and your targets. If you or your parents or carers have any concerns about your education, there will be a clear process in place to help resolve them as early as possible and appeal decisions. Staff at schools and colleges in your area are being trained so they have the skills in place to make these changes happen. Every school and college will have an Additional Learning Needs Coordinator who will ensure additional learning provision is in place. The Early Years Additional Learning Needs Lead Officer will coordinate provision for children under 5, and the Designated Education and Clinical Lead Officer will help ensure close collaboration between health services and education. All of these changes aim to ensure you have the right support to enable you to thrive. To find out more, visit your local school or college website or contact your school or college's Additional Learning Needs Coordinator.